Right, okay, I'm going to show you how to do easy peasy lettuce. So, a nice container here, got 6 square slots on it. I've had it for years. As you can see, it's got tape on, you know, when it starts splitting and all that. I do need to buy some new ones. Anybody out there know you can buy some that last for years? Basically what I'm using compost that's spent compost, because seeds do not like over rich compost. And I'm using I'll just show you, a 5-inch sieve that I had made years ago when I used to work in a paint shop for sieving paint. So when I left there and the place shut, I took it. So it's 5-inch, and it gives nice fine soil for the seeds to germinate in, and when you pot it on, they come out great, nice and easy. It's not cloggy. It's quite, it is nice. This is all I'm doing. I'm just sieving in the compost on there, so that's full. And then all I'm doing is using the edge of it to go right across to flatten it, so it's nice and flat. And I'll show you the next stage. Right, so I've sieved the soil into here. Like I say, bear in mind, it's not over rich. You don't want it over rich because seeds don't like that. With a 5mm sieve, if you can buy one. I think normally they're about 10-inch, but this is 5mm. Gives it a lovely fine texture. I'm putting in a Lotto lettuce, a nice one. And you know, I like doing it this way because obviously outdoor, you know, you do it outdoor, but I like to do it this way because I feel like I've got more control. And okay, the small seeds, I'm doing that, and I'm just slightly putting it in, not putting it too deep. You know, obviously a lot of the seeds will say how deep you put them in, but I just put them, I don't know, about 3-4mm. And some say put 2 per hole, but I just do 1. You can see the hole, like the way it's indented there. So I do that, I do all of them, and I try and get the best 15, because as you can see there's a tray here. Try and get the best 15, the rest I just chuck, because 15 lettuce is quite a bit once they start growing. So you put the seeds back in there. At the same time I've got, what is it, French salad leaves mixed. I'm going to pop them on because I've got them in the python at the minute. So yeah, I do that, and once I've done all of the 6 sections, I'll give them a sieve with that, just a fine on the top, not too thick. I don't bother going over like that, I just leave it, and then they'll germinate. These ones that I've got in front of us were done on the 26th of the 7th, 2024. We'll have a look at these and the ones in the polytunnel. As you can see, like I said, these were germinated, put in exactly the same as that on the 26th of the 7th, 2024. Got the best 15 out of them. I'll give these a water. They'll do alright, and once they get to that, they get a certain size and they're getting quite big. And this might seem a funny on to some, but it isn't to me, because it guarantees me every time I put them a pint size. And then once they're too big, they go into the final pot, which is this one. See the size of them? It's 6 inches. I got these from Elixir Gardening, I think it's online. Don't know, can't remember anyway. I'll put them in there, and we'll have a look at the polytunnel, what they eventually look like. So I brought them in here. Like I say, there's 15. They're in a gravel tray. I used to get them from Wilco. You can probably get them elsewhere now. range they might have them, I don't know. Quite sturdy. Remember when I got them on sale, they were about 10 pence each, so I think about £1, £2 each. Got them at 10 pence, you know, I do like a bargain. Anyway, so then there, no holes, gravel tray. Don't water from the top, water from the bottom, because you don't want to disturb the leaves and just damage them. They look crap basically. I've used a comfrey feed. All I do is just put loads of comfrey, quite old leaves and all that, the flowers, etc., into a big water butt. I think it's about 200 litres. Just let it rot down and just put that in there. Potassium, mainly for flowers and fruit and all that, but I do use it for leaves as well. It really leaves as nitrogen. Use nettles, but yeah, that'll settle there. I've got the French lettuce and shed, so I'll sort them out. 15 again, best 15 out the tray. And then once you put it into the pint size and then the final size, they end up like that. Come on, look at the size of that. Massive. So I'll just put feed in the bottom. Sometimes I put coop poop in the mix and all that when I put them on. But how much do you think they would cost? If you were to, there's probably 3 or 4 bags in there. I don't know how much a bag of lettuce is. Never actually had to buy one. He's putting the head on like this is mixed seed. And like I said, once they're finished, they end up going to these, self-seeding. Some say that the leaves are quite bitter, but I don't think I've ever found a lettuce leaf that's sweet. But I've used them anyway. They seem alright to me. It doesn't really bother me. And then it gets chopped, which ends up being that chopped lettuce. Gone to seed one. Sometimes I keep this for the seeds, or I just give it to the chickens, and that goes back into me mixing bucket for potting on again. So it's like a full circle, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Do it. You never know, you might have enough for prawn cocktail for Christmas Day. Anyway, it's bye from me. I'm in the shed. Happy sowing, happy growing. Bye bye.